Hi, we're Kyal and Cara and we are professional renovators from the New South Wales Central Coast.
We have our brand new Samsung TV and this particular model is called the Frame and we're about to unbox it.
I have to admit Kyal is a technology guy in this household and I'm more focused on what things look like, but that's why I'm excited about this. It has a beautiful frame around it and when the television's off, it acts like an artwork with over 1,200 options to choose from.
And obviously when the TV's on, it's got that brand new 4K QLED technology, so I'm super keen to see how it goes. We'll just open this top flap. Awesome. There we've got our One Connect box and we've got our accessory kit with the remotes.
Quick setup guide, my type of guide.
Sweet, all right, let's get this big box off. I'm actually really impressed at how well this is packaged. It's got everything we need, including our wall mount bracket, so it's good to go.
It's actually hard to believe there's a telly in there. It looks so thin.
Let's take a look.
Wow, they've literally framed that as if it was an original piece of art.
Nice, sleek, black design. Now I'm keen to open this box up and see what this frame looks like. Oh, beautiful, look at that.
Nice.
I did not expect that to look like a beautiful piece of timber.
That is going to look good.
Looks so good. All right, I'm excited. Let's get it mounted on the wall. What I love about the Frame TV is that it's got everything you'd expect from a smart TV, and because it's got the QLED technology, it makes that picture crisp and full of detail.
And when it's off, it works amazing as a beautiful piece of art.